Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about using a one-hand manual milk pump and why many mothers find it convenient for daily pumping sessions. A one-hand manual pump is designed to be simple and portable. Many mothers choose this type of pump because it is lightweight, easy to carry, and does not require electricity or batteries. One of the biggest advantages is flexibility. Since the pump can be operated with one hand, mothers often find it easier to stay comfortable during pumping sessions. Before starting, always make sure your hands are clean and all pump parts are properly washed and assembled. Good preparation can help make the session smoother and more organized. Next, choose a comfortable place where you can sit and relax. A calm environment often helps make pumping feel easier and more manageable. When using a one-hand manual pump, begin with slow and gentle movements. There is usually no need to rush. Many mothers find that a steady rhythm feels more comfortable. If milk does not begin flowing immediately, do not worry. It is completely normal for the body to take a few minutes to adjust at the beginning of a session. As you continue pumping, try to maintain a comfortable pace. Many mothers find that consistency helps make manual pumping easier over time. After the session is complete, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container and label it if needed. Cleaning all pump parts after each use is also important. Proper cleaning helps maintain hygiene and keeps the pump ready for future sessions. Every mother's routine is different, so it may take some time to find the rhythm and schedule that work best for you. With practice, patience, and consistency, a one-hand manual milk pump can become a simple and reliable part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.